Hi everyone, in this video, I will show you how to install Anaconda. This software will contain Jupyter Notebook that we will use to write Python code for machine learning. The first step is to go to Google and search for Anaconda. Click on the first link. At the top right, click on Free Downloads. Here you don't need to fill in anything. Just scroll down and click on Skip Registration. Click Download. Wait for the installation to complete. It should take a couple minutes. Click Open the file we just downloaded. Click Next. Click I agree. Click Next. And click Next. Click Install. Click Next again. Then click Finish. Wait a bit for the program to load. Scroll down and launch Jupyter Notebook. And that's basically it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions down below.